Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about the destiny. Sometimes your destiny plays tricks with you and you can do nothing if you are a poor person and you have nothing, but whatever you have you will lose that too. And this is the play of destiny. I will share some of my stories with you and hope you will relate those stories with yours if you have someone. As in my previous videos I told you that I am working as an artist, and here where there I am living, artists are not given much priority, and in this area, in this state, the talented peoples are always neglected. And because I want to do something exemplary, and I have chosen the field where there are no other pupils, no lot of pupils are willing to come, but I have chosen this field, and I want to do something, but no one is supporting me. And then I making contacts with some others people, and doing efforts myself, and I earn the name in my state. But I did not earn the money in reward or in response. So I was facing the financial crisis all the times, and once I made contact with the government institutions, and I requested them to give me some of the projects to do, and I was requesting them since long, and they did not responding, but when I was in too much critical positions in regard to financial position, then they asked me that what do you want to do. I asked them that I want to do some stage plays on your issues regarding to mothers and child health care, and give me this project because you are related to this project. So they asked me and finalized the date with me, but then they asked me that we will not pay you in advance because this is our rule, and we will pay you when you will finish the project. And after finishing the project, we will send your documents to the higher authorities, and they will approve, and they will then give you the check, and you will have to draw that check. I was at that time astonished, worried that I do not at that time I did not have the money, and from where I will arrange that money. So I was worried about this. Then I requested one of my friends who was working in abroad. I requested him to give me the loan of 20,000, and I will return you after 20 days because I am going to do a project with the government officials, and they will give me the check, and in 20 days my check will be cleared, and I will return you back. On this promise, I got the loan from that friend, and I also at that time worried about my household, the goods, and I purchased some of goods from a general store, and I asked him that I will give you the amount after 20 days because I am going to do a project with the government officials, and they will give me the check after 20 days. So on these promises I did these things, but when we were supposed to do the programs, day before I received a call from the officer that the government has banned all kind of activities and gatherings due to coronavirus, and there will be the lockdown in the country, and you will not be able to do the project which we have finalized till the next date. So I was shocked. I was astonished that I had borrowed the amount from my friend, and I had made the promise with him that I will return you after 20 days. Some of amount I have already I had already spent. So in this way I was too much worried. Then in this way my promise, I was thinking that my friend will think that I had done some kind of fraud with him, I cheated him. So the confidence which he had on me, I will lose that confidence. And in this way, the destiny played a trick with me. I was to do everything, but the destiny was not with me. Though, so I did not get that project. Even getting that project, I borrowed a lot of money, and I was not able at that time to return the money at the scheduled date. So that confidence I lost, which my friend was on me. And one of another incident I will share with you, that once I was in a financial crisis again. I always remained in crisis, because people those are linked with art and cultures are not earning too much, and they are not getting the opportunities, lot of opportunities. And sometimes they get the opportunities, 2 or 3 opportunities in a year. Then how can they will be survived by such a little amount? But they are not giving too much amount in response of whatever you do. Once I borrowed a 1000 rupees from my friend, and a sum of amount was spent on fuel and traveling, and the leftover I purchased a vegetable oil, or you can say ghee, from a shop, and I hang our the shopper with my bike. When I reached my place, I saw that the shopper was hanging out, but the packet of the ghee was not in that shopper, because that shopper has turned out from inside. And I returned back. I searched a lot, but I did not find people. Some people have picked it up, because people do not let the things laying which they found in lonely. In this way, the amount which I had borrowed from my friend was lost in some other way. And instead of getting some benefit, I was much worried about. I was too much in crisis, financial crisis. So this was the incident. And one more incident I will share you, that we were used to do the stage programs in schools and colleges, and I requested a college that give us some opportunity to do the stage programs, but they give 2 or 3 thousand rupees per program, very minimum amount. So then after so many wandering, they gave me the programs, and we finalized the date. And on the set date, when we reached there, then another incident happened at that time, that Indian aircrafts came very near to that college, and all the schools and colleges were closed at that day. But at that day I was borrowed 500 rupees for fuel from a friend, that I will return you after doing the programs. I am going to do the program, and after doing program I will return you. But when we reached there, the program was cancelled, and school was closed, and we all the signals and cell phones were off, and we were not informed about the. And I was worried that how will I return the 500 rupees to that person. I made the promise to give him on my return after doing the program. Even we don't have the money to for food. So such kind of incident happens with me a lot of times, several times. Whenever you are a poor person, destiny plays tricks with you, and you, instead of getting some things, you lose whatever you have. And hope that these are the examination from God, and one day you will after passing these kind of examinations, you will get the beautiful reward from your God. And these were the some of incident I wanted to share with you. Hope you find these stories useful, and you will relate. You can relate these stories with some of yours. And allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you find the notification of our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.